Hi and welcome back to Crafted by Norma. This time I'm going to show you a quick flip through of my Shakespeare journal, although it's got other arts and poets and writers and things in it as well. But this one I've made using one of the filing cabinet dividers, and I've made the mistake last time of making this part too thin on one of my other journals. I think it was the B one. So this time I've given myself a little bit more space, and I've actually given myself just under an inch. It's more sort of like 3/4 of an inch spine, which I think is better. And try to keep everything in place. Somebody gave me this, which is like a bra fastener and elasticated, and I thought what a brilliant thing to keep the journal together, so I've utilised that. I don't really know what it was for, but the person who gave it me, thank you so much, you'll know who you are. So I'll put that on one side. So again, my usual style, I've gone and covered it with some collage, just bits and pieces that I've collected. I haven't finished this one yet. I can't make my mind up whether I need to varnish it or put another cover on it, because the paper's quite dry, and I'm waiting on a stamp, a Tim Holtz stamp, one of the fonts, the faded font, because I wanted to put the stamp just there, so I'm waiting on that one to come. And again, I was going to utilise the stamp on the back, so it's not quite finished. I would have thought the stamp would have come by now, so a bit disappointed it's taken so long. But again, it's one that's got 3 signatures on it, and let's have a look inside. So on the inside, the cover, I've just utilised some papers and just done a rough collage of papers. So I've gone and done a side pocket there, and with some papers, and one of my little packs for journaling, I suppose. I don't know what I'd really call them. And they're just tied up with some twine, and that just slots into there. And then this one is just a little notebook I've made that slots into there, and that's just got a little collage on there and a few papers. And I've actually sewn this one that slots into here. So the idea of putting these in like this, you can add your own notebooks to it, or you can actually slot other things in as well as the notebook. I'll just slide that in there like that, and that just holds everything together. So that's the first one. Turning it over, and again, you might well have seen me when I've gone and punched out for the little tags. You've got the waist, so I've just gone and backed it. Now this time I've backed it with some of the laminate plastic before you laminate, and it's sort of got a more what would the word be, dulled effect rather than sort of shiny. And again, I've just gone and put a journaling card slotted into the back there. And on this side, I've gone and put a corner piece there. I've used that Andy Skinner's stamp there and a few other stamps that I had. And then I've gone and made another little pack of journaling papers, cards and envelopes that just slot into there quite nicely. And again, I'm trying to get the colours to sort of match, so that sort of matches the craft card as such. And then here I've gone and done just a rectangle of craft card folded over, and then I've just stitched around it to keep it together and put it onto the card with a bingo card there, a insect powder thingy bobby what's it, and then some pens, pen nibs, and then some skulls. just to go in there. And then this section here is just some papers, really, just for journaling. I've put that there, which I've sewn together to keep just for journaling on. And then this one is again made from one of my envelope journals that I've sewn in. So we've got a card there, journaling card, that slots into there. We've got a pocket down the bottom there, which again has got one of my journaling packs in, with envelopes, coffee stained papers, a card, all sorts of bits and pieces in there. And that just slots into there nicely. There we go. And I thought this time, seeing that we've got Leonardo da Vinci, I would put the paintbrushes on rather than a pen. And then here we've got one of my notebooks. Oh, another train whizzing past. With just some little tags there with numbers on. And on the back of this one, I've gone and put another little bit of collage, because that's another area that you can put bits and pieces in. And they slot into there, like so. And then turning it over, we've got a journaling card that I've gone and put, I don't know whether you can see that, journaling card that I've gone and put there, 2 journaling cards that's slotted into here and here, and then a journaling card that's slotted into there. This side we've got just a pocket on a smaller envelope, so I've gone and I managed to find some smaller envelopes, which again I didn't realise I had until I went rooting. It's amazing what you can find. So that's the normal sized envelope that I would use, so you can sort of see the difference. I just found about a dozen of them. And then a postcard that's just slots into there, and that's just a little ticket that slots into there. And on this side we've got a journaling card slots into there, and we've got an index card, whoops, that slots into that one. And this is just a half of an envelope that I've used just to put some bits in. And on this side, another one of my bungles. There we go, with a coffee stained paper, mass paper this time, a library ticket, and I made an envelope out of some music paper, some vintage music paper. So that just slots into there. And then turning that over, we've got again a corner pocket there. We've got a journaling card, and then we've got another journaling card that I've actually mounted onto some card, and they slot there like so. And here we've got another envelope, and I've got an area there for you to put a journaling card in, a little envelope, and a vintage label, and a library card that slots into there, like so. And on this side, again, we've got a corner pocket, and this one has got two. We've got a section there and a section there. So with that, I've gone and put a ruler at the back, some ruler card, some maths paper, and then we've gone and put on there just this piece of card that I had. And then in here we've got a Mona Lisa, where the spirit does not work with the hand, there is no art, which I thought was quite nice. And just a key tag there to pop into. Okay. And on the last page of the envelope journal, I've just put a quarter of one there. Now this one is slightly different. I've just gone and made this little tag here which pops down like so, and then this flips open. Oops. That flips open, so that keeps everything all nice and safe like that. And then here we've got just a side pocket, and I've put in a card that I've mounted with some glasses on. And then this one's been made out of an envelope, and again I've opened it up like so. So you've got pockets. You've got a pocket here. Whoops, you've got a pocket there. We've got a little pocket here and here. We've got a pocket there and a little pocket there with some bits in. We've got a tag that's in there. Whoops, that's in there. And then I've utilised some of the Tim Holtz people with this one. That's ordinary people can do extraordinary things. And the ticket at the back. So that just slots into there like so, and then that folds over. So that is my Shakespeare journal, which I'm about to finish, as I say, as soon as I get this these Tim Holtz stamps, which I'm really looking forward to. And I wasn't going to just stamp it, I was hoping to emboss it, to be honest. So hope you enjoyed that, and thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed it, please give me the thumbs up, and hopefully you'll join us by subscribing and seeing my other work. And also I'm coming up to 1,000 subscribers. I'm not far off it now, so as soon as I hit that 1,000 I'll be looking to give a freebie out, so watch this space, so to speak. You can check Crafted by Norma out on Instagram, where I put all my work, and as well as doing the journals I do other works, my Etsy shop, and obviously my Facebook page. So that's Crafted by Norma, and obviously I'm Norma. So thanks for coming along and having a look, and hopefully I'll speak to you soon. Thanks. See you later. Bye.